Hey friends, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. I'm excited you're here because today we're upgrading the skill that touches every part of your life, your relationships, your career, your confidence, and your peace. The topic is bold and true. These communication skills techniques will completely change you. Not a little, not someday, now. When you learn to speak clearly, listen deeply, and lead conversations with calm purpose, you unlock doors that used to feel stuck. You don't need perfect grammar or a loud voice to be powerful. You need simple tools you can use every day in real moments with real people. That's what we'll build together right now. Hook line, speak with clarity. Listen with curiosity, and your life will open. Let's start with a shift in belief. Communication is not just talking. Communication is connection. It's the bridge between your ideas and other people's hearts. When that bridge is weak, people misunderstand you, promises break, and trust falls apart. When that bridge is strong, everything becomes easier. Problems feel smaller. Meetings end faster. Love feels safer. Money conversations feel calm. You don't need more words. You need the right words, delivered with the right energy at the right time. That's what these techniques will give you. Begin with the quiet superpower, the 2-breath pause. Most people rush to speak because silence feels scary. But silence is not empty, it is full of control. Before you answer a question, take 2 slow breaths. In those breaths, ask yourself, what result do I want from this moment? Then say the shortest sentence that moves you toward that result. This simple pause shifts your brain from reaction to intention. A manager named Ria used to talk in circles when her director asked tough questions. She felt nervous, so words spilled out. She practiced the 2-breath pause for 1 week. Now when her director asks, "Will we hit the deadline?" Ria breathes, lands her sentence, and says, "Yes, if we focus only on features A and B, I recommend we pause." C. Fewer words, bigger trust. The pause gave her power. Next is reflective listening. When someone speaks, show them you truly heard them by reflecting the core of what they said in your own words. Say, "If I'm hearing you right, you're worried about the cost and the timing. You're not agreeing, you're clarifying." This simple mirror lowers defenses and pulls the real issue to the surface. A customer support agent named Luis tried this on angry calls. Instead of arguing, he listened and mirrored. "It sounds like you didn't get the email and you're upset about the delay." The customer calmed down. After that, solving the problem was easy. People don't just want answers. They want to feel seen. Reflective listening gives them that feeling in seconds. Structure is the next upgrade. Because unstructured words waste time, use a 1-minute message whenever you share an idea. Start with your point, give a reason or example, and end by repeating the point. Point, reason, point. "We should move the launch to next Friday because we need 2 more days to test payments. If we rush, we risk losing customers. So I recommend next Friday." This structure is simple and sharp. It helps busy people hear you. It helps you sound confident even when you feel nervous. Practice this at home with small things, and your brain will do it naturally at work. Headlines will save you in every meeting. A headline is your idea in 1 short sentence before any details. Headline: "We can hit the goal if we add 1 more support person." Headline: "I can do Saturday, but I need help with the morning shift." Headlines respect people's time. They also make you sound like a leader because leaders speak in clear summaries. After the headline, share 1 or 2 key details. If people want more, they'll ask. If not, you've already won the moment. Ask powerful questions and watch conversations open like a flower. Good questions move people from emotion to clarity. Try, what does success look like for you? What is the real problem here? What would make this easier? What's the earliest simple step we can take? A freelancer named Omar stopped pitching long proposals and began each meeting with 2 questions. What result do you need this month? And what will happen if we do nothing? Clients revealed the truth. Omar tailored his offer in a few lines, and his close rate jumped. Questions are gentle steering wheels. Use them to guide the room without force. Bridging language keeps you calm when conversations turn rough. When someone pushes for something you cannot do, say, "Here's what I can do," and fill in a realistic option. Replace "but" with "and" to keep connection alive. "I hear you want more features, and to deliver on time, we can do A and B now, and plan C for next sprint." This keeps momentum and respect. Another bridge is what I'm hearing is followed by your short summary, and then here's how we could handle it. You're not shutting them down. You're showing a path forward. Close conversations with clarity by summarizing and setting the next step. Many good talks still fail because nobody knows what happens next. End with, "So we've agreed on A and B. I'll send the draft by Wednesday and you'll review by Friday. Are we aligned?" This takes 20 seconds and saves days of confusion. A teacher named May started closing every parent call with a one-sentence summary and one next step. Complaints dropped. Results improved. Clarity is kindness. Closure is leadership. Storytelling is your secret key for influence. Humans remember stories, not spreadsheets. Use a simple 3-step frame: problem, choice, change. Last quarter, our response time was slow. Customers were frustrated, and we were losing renewals. We chose to build a small triage team and cut first reply time. In 6 weeks, churn dropped by 10%. Short, true, and powerful. At home, the same frame inspires action. When we leave dishes overnight, mornings are stressful. If we put a timer for 10 minutes after dinner, we'll wake up to a calm kitchen. You're not just telling. You're guiding their mind to a picture of success. Your voice and body speak before your words. Slow down by 10%. Drop your tone slightly at the end of sentences so you sound certain, not like you're asking a question. Keep your shoulders down, your hands relaxed, your eyes steady for a second after you finish a point. Pause after your sentence and let it land. Nervous energy makes people talk faster and pile on words. Calm energy makes each sentence stronger. If someone interrupts, smile, raise a gentle palm, and say, "One moment, let me finish this thought." Then end your point in a single line. That is presence. Boundaries protect your respect. You do not need to answer everything right away. Use graceful delays. "I want to give you a careful answer. Can I get back to you by 4 p.m.? Let me check the numbers and reply after lunch. I'm at capacity this week. I can start Monday." Does that work? Clear, calm, and firm. If a conversation gets heated, name your limit and offer a path. "I want this to go well. Let's take 10 minutes and continue with a fresh mind." People don't feel abandoned. They feel protected by your stability. Right before you speak, when emotions run high, open your notes, write the raw version, then cut it down to the calm version. Speaking the calm version saves relationships. A husband named Adil used to argue late at night and say things he regretted. He made a new rule. If he felt hot, he would write for 5 minutes, sleep, and talk in the morning. The first time he tried it, the morning talk took 5 minutes and solved the problem. The fight that would have lasted 2 hours disappeared. The pen cooled the fire. Try it. Feedback becomes painless when you use a simple frame. Observation, impact, request. "I noticed the report came in at 10 a.m., 2 hours late." That pushed the team's schedule and stressed support. "Next time, please send it by 8 a.m. or message me the night before if there's a delay." No labels. No attacks. Clear and kind. And when someone gives you feedback, don't defend immediately. Breathe, mirror, and say, "Thank you for telling me. I'll think about this and get back to you tomorrow." Keep your dignity and show maturity. Praise is a tool with precision. Praise publicly and specifically. Your summary saved the meeting. You named the risk in one sentence. Thank you. Private specific praise builds trust fast because it tells people exactly what to repeat. Avoid vague praise like "good job" alone. Tell them what was good and why it mattered. People grow where they are seen. Let's tie these techniques into a real day so you can feel them working together. Imagine you start your morning with a tough email asking for a last-minute change. You breathe, write your headline, and reply with a clear bridge. Headline: I can deliver the update by Friday at noon. To keep the quality, I'll move feature C to next sprint. Does that work? At 11 a.m., your team meets and drifts into endless opinions. You pause, ask a powerful question, and guide the room. What decision do we need to make in the next 10 minutes? People answer. You summarize, set the next step, and close the loop. We're aligned on option A. I'll send the plan by 3 p.m. At lunch, a friend vents about a family issue. You mirror ask, do you want comfort or ideas? And follow their answer. In the afternoon, your client pushes for more without paying more. You hold your boundary with calm strength. Here's what I can do within the current budget. If you want to add C, we can extend the timeline or adjust the price. In the evening, your partner is tired. You tell a short, kind story about the dishes and the calm morning you both want. You put on a song and do the task together. That's one day led by calm, clear communication. It is not dramatic. It is effective. It changes how people see you and how you feel inside your own life. You might be thinking, this sounds good, but can I really change? Yes, because each technique is small. You don't need to fix everything at once. Choose one technique today and use it 3 times. Use the 2 breath pause before you answer your next 3 questions. Or try reflective listening 3 times before you share your opinion. Or end 3 conversations with a clear summary and next step. Tiny reps build strong habits. You will feel different by tonight. People will treat you differently by next week. You will see results by next month. This is not magic. It's practice. Remember, you don't have to be loud to be a leader. You don't have to be perfect to be persuasive. You just have to be intentional. Speak with a headline so people know your point. Use the pause so your mind can catch up with your mouth. Ask powerful questions to move from noise to clarity. Mirror to build trust. Bridge to keep momentum. Close with the next step so progress sticks. Tell short stories that make people feel the future. Use your voice like a calm instrument. A little slower, a little lower, a little shorter. Set kind boundaries. And when heat rises, right before you speak, I want you to carry this sentence with you. I don't need more words. I need the right words at the right time. Put it on a sticky note. Put it in your phone. Read it before your next call. When you feel the urge to rush, touch that line and breathe. You're not silencing yourself. You're sharpening yourself. You're not withdrawing. You're focusing. There is a strong, clear communicator already inside you. These techniques simply unlock that version. Put them in charge. Here's your gentle challenge for the next 24 hours. Choose one important conversation you expect to have, at work, at home, or with a client. Decide your headline in advance. Write it in 1 sentence. Decide one powerful question you'll ask. Promise yourself you will pause for 2 breaths before you speak. After the conversation, write 2 lines about what changed. You'll likely find the talk was shorter, calmer, and more productive. That win is proof. Stack 3 or 4 of those wins this week. You will feel like a new person, steady, clear, and respected. You are ready. Your voice matters. Your silence matters. Your questions matter. When you use them with care, you become the person others trust in chaos. The person who can cool a hot room, the person who turns ideas into action without drama. That is real power. That is a life that feels light and strong at the same time. Keep practicing. Keep breathing. Keep choosing clarity over noise. These communication skills techniques will not just change how you speak, they will change how you live. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.